Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Shopify Partners account. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Shopify Partners and press enter. From the search results, open the official Shopify Partners website. Make sure you're using the official Shopify website to avoid phishing or fraudulent websites. Once you're on the Shopify Partners page, click Become a Partner to begin the registration process. Next, sign in using your existing Shopify account. If you don't already have one, click Create Account and follow the steps to register a new Shopify account. After signing in, you'll be asked to create your partner organization. This organization will be used to manage your client stores, apps, and other partner resources. Enter your organization name and provide the required information about your business or professional profile. Continue following the on-screen instructions to complete your partner profile. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate, as it will help you manage your account more effectively. Once you've completed all the setup steps, your Shopify Partners account will be ready to use. You'll now have access to partner tools, educational resources, development stores, client management features, and other opportunities available through the Shopify Partners program. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below.